Bitcoin is forecasted to increase 1.9% tomorrow, per CoinCodex. Let's begin with a glance at the most recent market action. Today, Bitcoin has gone down 2.1% and is now sitting around $62,512. Here come the analysts' daily predictions. CoinDataFlow expects the price to trend lower towards $62,317.67 by tomorrow. That's a projected drop of 0.2%. Crypto Predictions expects Bitcoin to trade higher towards $62,901.43, an estimated rise of 0.7%. According to Traders Union, it might push towards $63,250.52, a potential increase close to 1.3%. A different prediction from CoinCodex projects Bitcoin might reach $63,625.27, about 1.9% higher than now. Finally, CoinLore suggests a move to $64,767 by tomorrow, roughly 3.7% above the current price. This is the most lucrative forecast so far. That's all 5 forecasts for tomorrow. Let's move forward. Forecasts complete. Let's turn to the probability and payoff. Looking at the forecast side by side, the projected movement in price is between a drop of 0.2% and a gain of 3.7%, depending on the analyst. The final takeaway is that CoinLore expects the top return with 3.7% gain in value by June 20. Based on these forecasts, you might make between $2 and $37 for every $1,000 you invest. Based on probability, CoinDataFlow ranks highest with a 85.1% chance of success. Out of the 5 perspectives, I've drawn one consolidated consensus outlook. The combined outlook positions Bitcoin around $63,372.38. So here's the breakdown. The consensus figure shows the price moving up 1.5% by tomorrow. As a result, your capital may also advance by approximately 1.5%. If you invested $1,000, the forecast could mean $15 in profit. So the chance of the consensus forecast playing out stands near 74.9%. Next, let's see how analysts expect the market to perform over the 3 days. CoinDataFlow points to further upside potential. Crypto Predictions expects losses to extend. Traders Union views the short-term path as moving upward. Additionally, CoinCodex describes Bitcoin as following a rising course. Meanwhile, CoinLore suggests the market will keep pressing upward. Taking all opinions together, the consensus indicates Bitcoin is tilted upward across the coming 3 days. Altogether, 80% of forecasts indicate an upward direction, highlighting positive expectations for Bitcoin. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were posted. Let's find out how close they came. By the end of the session, the price stood at $62,953.10. 4 out of 5 analysts ended up correct about the trend. Accuracy-wise, Gov Capital Collector provided the tightest prediction. Let's take it apart. Only one forecast ended up inside yesterday's daily range. As far as ROI is concerned, several predictions were profitable, but CoinDataFlow stood out with 4.7%. Here's a quick results overview, a visual recap of forecast accuracy and outcome. CoinDataFlow posted $2,932.76 accuracy, 85% forecast probability, and 4.7% ROI. Take a moment to check who's been the most consistent so far. And now we can observe how the predicted returns for tomorrow differ across a few assets. Forecast comparison places Bitcoin second as Render stays at the top with 2.5%. Here I've compared Bitcoin with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader comparison with many more can already be explored on my website. If Bitcoin is on your list of favorites, give it a like so I know to keep tracking it here. Talk soon.